Welcome to MPH Capsule Talks. I am Dr. Charuta and you're watching Weekly Health Snippets. Government of India plans to expand supply fortified rice at government schools and Anganwadi centers from 15 districts to the 15 states with the aim to curb anemia. Rice is fortified with iron, vitamin B12 and folic acid. It's mentioned that fortified rice can provide 30 to 50% of recommended dietary allowance of iron for an adult. COVID-19 is considered as a health disaster and regulations like SMS, that is social distancing, mask and sanitizer was implemented under the Disaster Management Act 2005. This article says the importance to link health disasters like TB, dengue, etc. to the disaster management for the better control and elimination of the disease. Recommendations are put forward to link NRHM to disaster management. Pfizer vaccine, which is an mRNA vaccine, has reached the third phase of clinical trials with 90% efficacy rate. But the claim of 90% is based on a sample of 94 volunteers, but it is not known how many of them belong to each group. The expert independent committee reviewing the vaccine has not yet been announced by the standard procedure of a peer-reviewed journal. The article also emphasized on the need to improve cold chain infrastructure in India for the mass storage of vaccines. The report says that a number of people with depression are increasing amid COVID pandemic. There is a reduced number of psychologists and psychiatrists when compared to the rising number of people suffering from mental illness. To solve this issue, community volunteers can be considered and trained, especially for children who are more vulnerable to depression during COVID pandemic. Talk therapy is recommended by WHO as a first line of treatment. Sputnik V vaccine developed by Russia is having 92% efficacy rate among the volunteers who took part in the phase 3 trials. WHO will set up 2 premier institutes of Ayurveda, one in Jamnagar and another in Jaipur on the 5th Ayurveda Day. This will support WHO's effort to implement the WHO Traditional Medicine Strategy 2014 to 2023, which aims to support countries in developing policies and action plans to strengthen the role of traditional medicine. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more public health snippets.